Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You may notice that I'm dressed up for a little bit of colder weather. It's been down in the minus 18 range for degrees Celsius here in Canada, where I'm located right now. But today, as I mentioned before, I've picked up hunting, and one of the things you're going to need when you're hunting is a way to clean and skin your animal. I did manage to get a deer this year, and so in order to clean my deer, we picked up this Wild Pack Outdoor Edge tools, and it comes from Canadian Tire as well. So we'll take a look at that. As you can see inside, it comes all in the vacuum pack here. So you've got a sharpening tool, a boning tool, skinning knife with a gut hook, and a general capping knife. And then here you have a saw, a rib spreader, and it comes with a pair of long rubber gloves, which we didn't use. So I will say that we picked this up on clearance at Canadian Tire and have used it quite a bit. I managed to clean the entire deer using just the skinning blade here. Very effective. Found the tools to be very sharp. The sharpener works great. I've used it on several of my knives. It is the kind that has the offset carbide rods inside that you just draw through, and it cleans up the edge by shaving off a bit of the metal, and it works very, very well. All of the handles are of a rubbery plastic. They appear to be a full tang because there doesn't seem to be any wobble in the bottom half of the blade, but they handle boning and skinning and gutting and all the other tasks you have when cleaning a deer. Handled it very well. I did not use the rib spreader at all, nor did I use the saw on the deer. However, when I was out hunting, I did use the saw, and you can see here it's an offset tooth saw to clear some of the branches out of a shooting lane, and it handled that quite well. Overall, I would say for the price that I paid for the kit on sale at Canadian Tire, is exactly what I needed, and I would give it a 5 out of 5 for the quality of the tools, the sharpness, and how well they stayed sharp, and the ease of packability. Because of the way it's packaged in this package, it's fairly small and robust and easy to throw into the backpack for when you're out hunting. So I would give that a 5 out of 5. Check in next time and we'll do some more reviews of hunting gear. Thanks.